We are going to Apple's.
A ver. So I put it. Creo que es el.
We are going to Apple Store in downtown Los Angeles. The Apple Tower Theater is housed in the historic Tower Theater, originally built in 1927. It was one of the first theaters in Los Angeles to be wired for sound, showcasing the innovation of talkies at the time. The building itself is a masterpiece of Baroque Revival architecture. Apple meticulously restored the Tower Theater to its former glory, blending its classic features with modern design. The renovation preserved the original architectural details like the grand staircase, ornate ceiling, and the stunning vaulted interior dome. This place has an architectural significance. It was designed by renowned architect Charles Lee. The Tower Theater was inspired by the Paris Opera House, and its elaborate decorations and the stunning blend of French, Spanish, and Italian influences make it a standout piece of architecture in Los Angeles. Our main reason why we came here was because this Apple Store was the closest to the hotel that we stayed at Millennium downtown Los Angeles, Millennium Biltmore, and it took us almost 10-15 minutes to walk. This is why we came it here, because we wanted to buy an iPad for our kids. But at the meantime we were looking to the iPads, we were also learning about new features, about new technology that Apple brings. And why not? We took even the immersive experience and enjoyed the virtual glasses that Apple offer. You can go to any Apple store and enjoy this experience. I will leave without talking that you can enjoy this experience with us, and later we'll share more about this place.
You have 7, right? I should have 9. So I had to disconnect it real quick. Okay. So yes. So if you okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What an experience. So if you look at me, remember to select an app, you tap, to scroll, and then to zoom like this. So if you want to look at an app, you can look at an app, like scroll to more photos, and choose photos. There you go. And then look at photos and tap. There you go. Perfect. So I put a dot so you can see. But choose photos. There you go. Okay. So this is our three things you have your entire life. You use your eyes, you use your hands, you use your voice. Right? So think about your eyes that are pointed on a magnet. The gesture that you're going to use is similar to clicking. It's called a tap. When you hear me say tap, when you hear me say tap. Para volver tienes que apretar aquí.
Damián. Venga, pásale a la mano. Real, yes, like that.
The store features Apple's latest technology, including interactive displays, hands-on experiences with devices, and an impressive video wall for presentations and demonstrations. Besides being a tech hub, the Apple Tower Theater functions as a cultural venue where local artists, filmmakers, and musicians come together for events and workshops, fostering creativity in the heart of the city. The store is located at 8th Street and Broadway. The store sits in the heart of downtown LA's Broadway Theater District, once the entertainment center of the city, now undergoing a renaissance as a cultural and retail destination. The store offers free architectural tours of the building, allowing visitors to learn more about the history of the Tower Theater and the efforts involved in its restoration. We ended up almost to stay all day long at this store because Apple uses the space for more than just retail. It's an experiential location offering free Today at Apple sessions where people can learn about creative arts, technology, photography, and all while surrounded by a cinematic ambience. So we participated on the initiative with the Procreate class, and we also learned more about the maps at Apple, how to use those. We also did a class of photography. We learned more about photography, how to use all the features that an iPhone can bring, which was amazing for us. We learned a lot, and also now here on Procreate we are just enjoying the results of the drawings we did with kids. Kids enjoyed a lot this place.
I love the experimentation. It's gorgeous. Now this is
Bravo, Damian.
this whole backpack is the best thing ever. Is this surfing? Okay, I mean it's California. I mean dogs surf, you know. I mean my dog would stay.
And not last thing about this place, it is Instagram worthy spot. The blend of historic grandeur and modern technology makes the Apple Tower Theater a popular spot for Instagrammers. The grand interiors, detailed ceilings, and the iconic staircase are perfect for pictures. So now we ended with this session. We bought our iPad for our kids, and our kids now will do the unboxing for you.
Vale, ¿qué tenéis ahí, chicos?
Un iPad
Sí, ¿dónde lo hemos comprado?
de un teatro o algo así.
Theater Apple Store, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Pero dónde estamos ahora?
Ahora en el hotel,
Sí, pero ¿dónde?
Biltmore.
¿En qué ciudad?
Los Ángeles.
Los Ángeles,
Los
muy
Ángeles.
bien.
Abrimos juntos. Sí, ya.
Uno arriba y otro abajo.
Esto ya.
Ah, lo estáis estrenando, ¿no? Está chulísimo.
Ya. Es que ni siquiera lo hemos sacado.
A ver, ¿qué es? ¿Qué es? Dame lo que está
A ver.
detrás.
Un iPad.
Sí, pero ¿qué hay?
Pero ¿qué tipo de iPad? Enséñalo.
Ah, el iPad Air.
Vale, ¿y cuántos gigas? ¿Qué colores? Está todo detrás.
Está todo detrás, dice. Espera.
Damián, léelo, por favor.
Mira,
Detrás
aquí
está.
está.
Tiene 256 gigas.
Muy bien.
Espera. Es
¿Qué modelo es?
el 11.
11 pulgadas. Ujú.
El 11 inch es color como color plateado.
Color gris. Sí.
Espera. Ahora, espera. Espera, déjame. Ahora. Sí, no. Los dos.
¡Wow! Está chulísimo, ¿eh?
Jolín, sí que está muy cerrado. Ay, wow. Espera, pero ¿esto qué?
Es el cargador.
No, pero aquí adentro.
Creo que es el...
Instrucción.
son las instrucciones, sí. Oh, tú ya lo has encendido.
Marc, ¿lo abrimos?
Este es nuestro lápiz.
Hay que ponerlo a recargar.
¿Qué tipo de lápiz es? A ver, léelo.
Espera, tenemos que leer tipo de lápiz. Vale 129 dólares.
Vale, muy bien.
¿De
Mira,
tipo?
está puesto en este lado que está
Es
haciendo.
un Pencil Pro.
Pencil Pro, qué chulo.
Mira, nos pone hola.
Bonjour.
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 Lo pone en todos los idiomas.
Hello.
Español.
¿En español no lo queréis poner en inglés?
No, gracias.
A ver, Marc, enseña qué tienes allá.
El lápiz.
Qué bonito, ¿eh?
Es masculino.
¿Y se recarga? No. Sí, se pone aquí y se... Ay, espera. Y se
Así,
recarga.
¿no, Marc? ¿Cómo lo quieres? ¿Qué aspecto? Espera,
Así.
le enseñamos a todos.
Y continuar.
Espera, ¿cuánto?
Aquí.
Tiene un imán, ¿no? Que está cargando, ¿verdad?
Sí, pero no
Bueno,
carga.
así está cargando el lápiz.
Lo que carga es esto.
Por ahora, el
Millennium Guest, sí.
Por ahora. Es el hotel.
Ay, qué cuidadoso eres, Marc.
Ya.
Bueno, tienes que poner el apellido. Ponemos el apellido de la mami.
Los dos tienes que poner.
Los dos apellidos, vale.
¿Puedo ponerlo?
Sí, claro. No, te has equivocado.
Me parece muy raro que lo ponen muy como...
Con dibujos, ¿no? Como
sí,
con...
dibujo.
A ver.
Si fuera muy pro. Pero viene el lápiz blanco. ¿Lo veis? El iPad es más como plateado.
Oscuro, ¿no?
Sí, plateado oscuro.
Bueno, el internet es muy rápido, ¿ves?
Demasiado.
Demasiado.
Entre comillas.
Bueno, yo creo que podemos intentar ponerle ahí listo. Yo creo que hay
Códigos cercanos.
poco internet, poca conectividad de internet.
No sale que espera.